But how is everyone doing? Tom Zort, World Disney, exploring the world of Avatar. Well, we are here in Pandora at night, seeing the bioluminescence nature of the world of Avatar and making so you can see my stuff a little bit. Got a little Blair Witchy, I know, but hey, it's okay. But let's get back to what looks cool, which is all the bioluminescence. He's glowing on the inside.
I'm always glowing.
Look at all the detail though. Even the plants and foliage. It's a lot of cool stuff. And people walking right in front. But it's also hard probably to get some pictures during this. You have to find the right locations with these like pods. You know what I mean? There's like pod sections where illuminated plants. You can't really see me, right? That's why I have that with me. See, now you can see me. Otherwise, it would be kind of pointless. So we have to deal with the Blair Witch situation right now. I apologize for that. But it's a way so I can be seen. And you see like the LED lights embedded in. What is it? Oh, you can hear the ecrans in the distance. It's really kind of cool. There's some areas where you can kind of see me, but like I said, I think this is necessary, kind of. Sorry. But look at the lines over there. It's kind of crazy. Right now it's about 6:24, so half an hour of park left open, and most of the animal attractions close well before that. They close at dusk. So if you are coming right now, you basically got Flight of Passage and a couple of rides left to do, and that's all you can do in the last hour of the park really. So just saying, it might be wise to get things done early if you want animals to be done. Looks like over here where all the kids are drumming, that's how the ground's supposed to look everywhere. Just saying. And I'm gonna say this, Pandora's awesome at night. If there's anything to do here at Animal Kingdom at night. We are on our way to see the Beacon of Magic for Animal Kingdom. Hopefully, it's supposed to be every 15 minutes, so you might be able to catch one before the park closes. It's about 1 minute away, I'm guessing. So maybe you'll get there in time. Who knows? Hopefully. I'm sorry I look like Blair Witch. I know, I look like Blair Witch. I know.
Nothing. I apologize. Look back, ran into me.
It was comfortable. I like it.
Everybody's like running on.
Sasa. '50th Beacon of Magic for Animal Kingdom, and I will say that retelling of Lion King was amazing for it, and going for that as the park icon mascot for the show was a brilliant decision. The Tom Zort Rogue Disney saying, don't be afraid to be a fool, have a good New Year, and good night.